Now we have a big update coming in for you. The bike that was used in this particular crime has been recovered. This is what sources have told Times Now. The bike that was used in this crime by perpetrators has been seized. License plate, in fact, we have learnt was actually a fake one, and chassis number, engine number completely destroyed. This is the big update that we are getting for you right now. An important update. In fact, a suspicious bike has been recovered from Madhyamgram police from a filthy, abandoned spot in Damdam. Investigators are probing whether the bike that has been seized is the same bike that was used in the murder of Shuvendu Adhikari's close aide. Let's go across to my colleague Hridita joining us live right now for more on this. Hridita, so your sources are telling you that the bike that has been recovered was perhaps the same bike that was used by perpetrators to kill Shuvendu Adhikari's close aide late last night.
Well, absolutely. We see that there was 3 miscreants who have been traveling on a bike, and this bike had actually been carrying these miscreants who killed Chandranath Raut, the close aide of Shuvendu Adhikari, yesterday at Madhyamgram, and now by the Madhyamgram police in the near area to the airport near Damdam gate number 2.5, which is famously known as the Arai number gate. A bike was found from a dump yard that we are getting to understand whose details are fake, just like the car which was recovered was fake. The information that we have got through, we get to understand that the number plate was completely fake, and even there was an attempt to tamper the chassis number and the engine number. However, as per police sources tell us that it has been recovered, and now they are trying to find out more details as to whose under whose identity was this bike bought, and what is the identity, revealing to the location, the person, everything in relation to that. However, the fake registered number plate that was being carried out or was stuck to the bike holds the details of a person from Bardhaman. As I read out to you, the details is of Vibhash Kumar Bhattacharya, who belongs to a Hirapur village in Bardhaman. That was the usage of the fake number plate that was put behind the bike. But however, this person says has declined all the relation with the bike, and this was a same situation that was created like in the morning with the car that we have seen, the car which was used to stop Chandranath Raut's Scorpio last night. In the same way, it was planned with the bike which was boarding these 3 miscreants that ruled out bullets and hurled the bullets towards Chandranath Raut.
Can you also tell us a little bit about where exactly have they recovered this particular bike from? How far is it really from the place where this incident took place last night?
Well, absolutely. The location that I was telling you about, this bike has been found in a dump yard, which is very near to the Madhyamgram area. Now understand that between Kolkata and Madhyamgram is the Kolkata airport, and this was exactly found from the Damdam airport gate of Arai number, which is the 2.5 gate of the Damdam area. It is just adjacent to the airport area and just few kilometers away from Madhyamgram or even from the Kolkata city. Now, given to the exits that were concerned about this miscreants, we understand that Madhyamgram is in North 24 Parganas, which is very near to the border areas. So one of these routes to the borders were opened from the Madhyamgram area in itself, and the other area was the Newtown area, which falls again very close to the airport area. So while this entire murder was planned, the miscreants or the people behind the masterminds behind this crime had very sharply planned about their exit points. They had planned about the cars and what will happen if these cars were caught. So you see, in both the cases of the car that was used to stop the vehicle of Chandranath Raut, even that had a fake number plate, so that even if that is caught, then there is no trace of the identity of that person is found. It belonged to a person from Siliguri,
Right.
who again has said that he did not have any liability of the car. He did not even know. And now in the case of the bike, we see it was found from the a very nearby area, a few kilometers away from Modhamgram in the Domdam airport area. That
Right.
is also having a fake number plate of a person from the Bardhaman area, who again says to have no relation with this bike.
Right.
So that is how this entire cold-blooded murder targeting Chandranath Rao just because he was a close aide of Shubhendu
Right.
Adhikari was planned.
And this makes one thing clear, that everything was meticulously planned. The question is, who was really behind it? Stay with us, Ridhita. Now, viewers, the brutal midnight murder of Chandranath Rath, a close aide of Bengal BJP's tallest leader, Shubhendu Adhikari, has triggered a massive political firestorm. The BJP is calling it a cold-blooded and pre-planned political execution. BJP is pointing fingers at the Trinamool Congress. TMC on its part is demanding a CBI probe, and Bengal once again stands accused of normalizing post-poll violence and political assassinations. And now, Times Now has accessed the most chilling footage from the crime scene. This video was recorded just moments after Chandranath Rath was ambushed and shot dead. The first thing you see is panic, then shattered glass and a bullet-riddled SUV. And inside that SUV, Chandranath Rath's lifeless body is seen bleeding profusely after being shot multiple times.
একটু দেখি কাজটা ইয়ে করে ফেলো না মুখটা দেখো একটু বেঁচে আছে কি বেঁচে থাকলে হসপিটাল নিয়ে চলো
হসপিটালে যাও
বেঁচে থাকলে হসপিটাল নিয়ে চলো
মুখটা একবার দেখো না ভিডিও করো মুখটা একবার দেখিয়ে দাও না
মুখটা কি আছে
এই ফোনটা দাদা এখানে রাখো
তুমি কোথা থেকে এসছো তুমি টান দাও আরে আমরা আছি তো অসুবিধা নেই আরে মুখটা দেখতে হবে তো
দাঁড়া
তারা তিনজন গুলি করে চলে গেছে সেটা বলতে পারবো না আমি তো আপনি হসপিটালে যান আগে নিয়ে যান দাদা হসপিটালে নিয়ে যান দাদা
আপনার এখানে বেলটা মারো বেলটা লস হচ্ছে বেলটা তো লাগছে
কোনো ভাবতে পারো ওটা যাই না কার গাড়ি
বেলটা মারো